animating people and other objects. In this lecture, we will learn how to animate people walking or riding bicycles. And also we have the option to animate other objects on a path. We will use the same effect, mass move, just like we did with cars. But before we do, we will first add the people models that will be animated. We will go to Build Mode, double-click People and Animals, and start picking models. We will add the first guy riding a bicycle, like that. Then we have some models with idle word written in their names, like that one. And we have some models has walk word at the end of their names. Let's pick a walking man and add him here like that. And in the viewport, he would be walking in place like that. We can also add idle people, but these will not be moving along the path that we will add later. We can also go on and add women, walk, or riding a bicycle. And there is also this woman that is walking with her dog. And there is also this woman that pushes a baby buggy, and many other to explore. After we add all the people models that we like, we will go to Movie Mode, go to our video, and edit the mass move effect. In the mass mode, we will press Add Path from here to add a new path for people and pedestrians. We will click here to add our first point, and click at the end here to add the second point. Then we will increase the path width from here. Then we will press refresh to recalculate path first. Then we will press play. And now people are moving along the path beautifully. Notice that the idle guy didn't move. We can change the direction for them, walking to the left or the right, or we can make dual direction, moving in opposite directions. So every time we click, it changes the option of direction till we have what we like. The car speed slider now controls the speed of people riding bicycles. If we increased it, the bicycle will move faster. Or we can just type 8 here, for example, and press enter. And they are all moving perfectly. Now we are done. We can press OK. We can press play now to watch them in our created video. And now they are walking, and we now have animated people and cars. Before I end this video, I want to tell you about a couple of more tips. Inside the mass move effects, we have these small icons that can toggle people, cars, or imported objects. In this case, our path affects the three types. If we want to exclude types to not to be affected by that path, we will click its icon to make it red X like that, and that means that type will not be affected by our path. If we made it only people and press recalculate, now only the people are moving and bicycles have stopped moving. To make bicycles move, we will have to remove the X from the cars icon, press refresh, and they are now moving again. Another tip is that we can have imported models to be animated along the path. For example, if we go to build mode and move that waterfall to our path, here like that, then go to movie mode, If we press play now, we will find that our imported model, the waterfall, is moving along the path with the pedestrians. If we don't want that, we will simply select that path and put an X on the imported model's icon, like that. Now press recalculate and play, and now the waterfall will not be affected by the path. Another very useful tip is that we can create a new camera movement to show people closely. We can now go to the previous video, menu, edit, copy effects. Go to the new video, menu, edit, paste effects, and now all the effects, including the mass move effect, will be copied to the new video. And now all the people and cars are moving perfectly, and here is the end result.